Want rich, scoop shop texture without leaving the kitchen? Our video to the best ice cream makers breaks down how compressor, freezer bowl, and manual models differ in speed, consistency, and cost. We'll cover capacities, noise levels, cleaning ease, and handy extras like mix-in chutes and digital timers. You'll learn which machines handle sorbet, gelato, and custard bases best, plus tips to minimize ice crystals. Choose confidently, churn smarter, and serve perfect pints on demand, any night of the week, all year round. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Cuisinart ICE 21P1 are fine for best budget ice cream maker. If you want an affordable way to churn great ice cream at home, the Cuisinart ICE 21P1 keeps things fast and fuss-free. Its efficient mixing paddle turns your base into smooth ice cream or frozen yogurt in about 20 minutes, so dessert doesn't have to wait. The double insulated freezer bowl means no ice or rock salt. Just freeze the bowl, lock it in, and you're ready to go. You'll make up to 1.5 quarts per batch, enough for family night or a few generous Sundays. The Easy Lock transparent lid lets you watch the churn and add ingredients through the large spout without splatters. Toss in chocolate chips, toasted nuts, or fresh fruit near the end, and they'll fold in evenly for a better bite in every spoonful. Operation is simple and consistent. Add your chilled mixture, press the button, and let the machine do the rest. The sturdy, lightweight design in clean white fits easily on your counter and stores without hogging space. Because the bowl is pre-frozen and the paddle keeps a steady churn, you get reliable texture batch after batch. If you're looking for budget-friendly, dependable results with minimal prep, the ICE 21P1 delivers homemade ice cream, sorbet, and frozen yogurt with less mess and more control, so you can tailor flavors, cut sugar if you want, and serve exactly what you're craving. Number 4. Cuisinart ICE 70P1, our find for best canister-style ice cream maker. If you want a fast, budget-friendly way to churn real ice cream at home, the Cuisinart ICE 70P1 is the canister-style pick that delivers. You get a full 2-quart capacity, great for family nights or make-ahead pints, plus an efficient design that turns out ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, or sorbet in as little as 20 minutes. Pre-freeze the double insulated bowl, pour in your base, and let the machine do the rest. You'll appreciate the simple control panel, an easy-read LCD, 3 dedicated settings with multiple speeds, and a countdown timer with auto shutoff so you don't babysit the churn. The brushed chrome finish looks clean on the counter, and the ingredient spout with an integrated measuring cup makes add-ins tidy. Fold in chocolate, fruit, or nuts without splatter. Because you control the ingredients, it's easy to go low sugar, dairy-free, or high protein without sacrificing texture. And since the canister lives in your freezer, there's no heavy compressor to move or maintain. Just grab the bowl when you're ready to make dessert. Cleanup stays straightforward, and you get helpful online recipes to dial in flavors fast. If you value speed, simplicity, and consistent results, the ICE 70P1 is a dependable path to creamy, crowd-pleasing treats any night of the week. Still searching for the perfect ice cream maker? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Ninja CREAMi Deluxe NC501, our find for best family size and most versatile ice cream maker. If you want a family size ice cream maker that adapts to everyone's cravings, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe NC501 is built for you. The XL 24-ounce CREAMi tubs hold 50% more than the original, so one batch goes further for weeknight desserts, parties, or post-workout treats. 5 added programs broaden your menu, covering ice cream, frozen yogurt, Italian ice, sorbet, and more, so you get the texture you like without guesswork. Advanced CREAMify technology powers the transformation. Dual-drive motors apply downward pressure while the Deluxe Creamerizer paddle shaves and smooths your fully frozen base into a creamy finish. The result is consistent and scoopable, even with lighter or dairy-free recipes. You also get true customization. Control every ingredient to make low-sugar, protein-packed, dairy-free, or vegan options. Then fold in favorites, chocolate, nuts, candy, fruit, right when you process. Dual processing takes variety further. Use a single base to create 2 different mix-in flavors. Serve the top portion first, then add new mix-ins to the bottom and enjoy a second flavor later. The workflow is simple. Prepare your base, freeze overnight, process, and enjoy. Most parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup stays quick. With its family-friendly capacity, versatile programs, and precise texture control, the CREAMi Deluxe makes it easy to satisfy different tastes without multiple machines or mystery ingredients. If you've been looking for a fast, flexible way to serve crowd-pleasing frozen desserts at home, this Stone Silver Ninja delivers. Number 2. Whynter ICM 201SB, our find for best self-refrigerating ice cream maker. If you want cafe-quality ice cream without planning ahead, the Whynter ICM 201SB is your best self-refrigerating pick. You get a generous 2.1 quart capacity per batch in a durable stainless steel body with a removable stainless bowl so you can churn for a crowd and clean up quickly afterward. Because it's a true compressor machine, you don't pre-freeze anything. You pour in your mix and the self-cooling system handles gelato, ice cream, or sorbet on demand. You'll appreciate the built-in timer for set and serve convenience and the extended cooling function that keeps your finished batch firm while you prep cones, toppings, or that second flavor. When you're entertaining or satisfying back-to-back cravings, the compressor supports continuous use, so you can start another batch right away. The BPA-free churn blade is designed to aerate efficiently for smooth, scoopable texture. Safety and reliability are covered too. A motor protection function automatically guards against overheating if your mixture thickens faster than expected, helping the unit last longer and giving you consistent results. Most importantly, you stay in control of ingredients, dial in sweetness, use real fruit, or accommodate dairy-free and low-sugar diets with confidence. If speed, repeatable texture, and ingredient control matter to you, the Whynter ICM 201SB delivers a professional, fuss-free ice cream shop experience right on your countertop. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Ninja CREAMi NC301. Our find for best ice cream maker overall. If you want total control over your frozen treats, the Ninja CREAMi NC301 makes it simple and consistent. The compact stainless steel unit processes a 1-pint container with an 800-watt motor, shaving through solid bases to create smooth, scoopable results. You decide what goes in. Go rich with classic dairy bases or keep things lighter with low sugar, keto, dairy-free, or vegan recipes. When you're ready to personalize, the mix-in program folds in chocolate, nuts, fruit, or candy evenly, so every spoonful matches your taste. 7 one-touch programs optimize speed, pressure, and time for whatever you're making. Ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-in. That range covers desserts, post-workout refreshers, and breakfast-worthy bowls without guesswork or constant adjustments. Designed for everyday convenience, the NC301 runs on standard 120-volt power and sits comfortably on your counter. The straightforward controls mean less fiddling and more enjoying, whether you're dialing in a decadent gelato or a protein-forward smoothie bowl. You build the base, freeze it, and let the CREAMi turn it into the texture you want when you want. If you care about ingredients, portion size, and repeatable results, this machine helps you hit your flavor and nutrition goals without sacrificing taste. If you're ready to make exactly what you're craving, your flavors, your textures, your rules, the Ninja CREAMi NC301 delivers cafe-quality results from a compact, easy-to-use package. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which ice cream maker you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.